This segment of Taking Stock was brought to you by Bulwark Insurance Agency, insurance made easy.
Hey moneymakers, join the KRM fam with our official merch. Get it now at KalilaReynolds.com. Let's get this money.
The JC Combined Index fell 0.5% last week. 123 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, February 10, 2023. 27 made gains, 87 lost value, and 9 stayed the same. 99 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $838 million. Wigton Wind Farm was the week's most traded stock. It took up 15% of market volume, with 15 million shares trading. MFS Capital Partners traded the second highest. The stock opened this week at $3.54. The stock was also the week's third biggest gainer. And Sagicor Select Funds Financial rounded out last week's most traded, with 7 million shares trading. The stock lost 1 cent open Monday at 40 cents. Now let's see who had the biggest gains for the week. Consolidated Bakeries was the week's biggest gainer. The stock was up 22% open Monday at $2.53. JPS 7% was the week's second biggest gainer. The stock was up almost 17% to start the new week at $7. On the losing side now, Margaritaville Turks USD was last week's biggest loser, down 29%. The stock opened Monday at 10 cents US. Portland JSX had the second biggest dip last week. The stock was down 22% to open the new week at $9. And 138 Student Living fell almost 19%, closing the week at $4.69. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index gained 4 points last week. Massey was the most traded stock. It opened this week at $4.49 TT. First Caribbean was the market's biggest gainer, up almost 8% to open this week at $6.59 TT. And on the losing side, National Enterprises fell 9% to open Monday at $3.61 TT. Over in the US, the Dow Jones was mostly flat last week, while the S&P 500 was down almost 1%, and the Nasdaq fell 1.5%. At the pumps, motorists got a small break last week as gas prices fell 25 cents, while diesel prices fell $4.50. In foreign exchange, it took an average $155.05 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's $1.12 less than a week before. Meanwhile, it took an average $115.77 Jamaican to purchase $1 Canadian. 1 British pound cost an average $189.11 Jamaican. And you could buy €1 for $168.03 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices fell almost 5% last week, with the cryptocurrency trading at $21,669 on Saturday. It was the same for Ethereum, which was down 6%. It traded at $1,514 on Monday. This segment of Taking Stock, The Analysts, is brought to you by Jamaica National Group. We'll help you find a way. Disclaimer: this is not intended as financial advice. Please consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions.